The Election Commission halted West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose's planned tour of Cooch Behar district on April 18 and 19, citing violations of the Model Code of Conduct and potential disruption to election officials and police during the silence period before voting. The India Meteorological Department predicts a strong monsoon season in India, with both positive and negative implications for farmers and disaster preparedness. The central government's plan to address the doctor shortage in India by building new AIIMS institutions is facing challenges due to implementation delays and tensions between the centre and states. The Union Home Minister, Amit Shah, highlighted the intensified efforts against Naxalites, citing the opening of 250 security camps in left-wing extremism-affected states since 2019, particularly emphasizing recent successes in Chhattisgarh and a broader strategy aimed at eradicating Naxalism under Prime Minister Modi's leadership. This passage explains how India defines heat waves, how governments plan for them, and the challenges of adapting those plans to diverse regions and populations. A recent Indian Supreme Court decision recognizing the right to be free from climate change impacts presents an opportunity to pursue equitable climate action. To encourage participation in ecological restoration, India's Green Credit Program is allowing individuals and companies to apply for forest restoration projects. New private investment projects in India dipped in FY24, with manufacturing taking a major hit, but state spending on capital expenditure increased. Following a 2020 war where Azerbaijan reclaimed territory from Armenian separatists, Russia is withdrawing its peacekeeping forces from the Nagorno-Karabakh region. The complex strategic dilemma faced by Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu following recent attacks by Iran and Hamas, where he must balance retaliatory actions against Iran without escalating the situation into a full-scale regional war while also considering the stance of key allies like the United States. The challenges and opportunities for small-scale farmers in India to adopt agroforestry practices, which integrate trees into their farms for environmental and economic benefits.